Hi everyone, good day to all of you and welcome to my vlog for today. In this vlog, we will discuss about Best Buddies Philippines. So what is Best Buddies Philippines? Best Buddies Philippines is a non-profit organization dedicated to establishing a global volunteer movement that creates opportunities for one-to-one friendships, integrated employment, leadership development, and inclusive living for individuals with intellectual and developmental disabilities. Best Buddies International is an organization and it's worldwide actually. And the purpose of this is to change the lives of individuals with intellectual and developmental disabilities. So, Best Buddies International was started in the year 1989 by Anthony Kennedy Shriver, inspired by his aunt Rosemary, who also co-founded Special Olympics. The first chapter was started at Georgetown University. Best Buddies has grown from one chapter to a leading non-profit entity, and it's a global thing. We have been present in over 40 countries worldwide. So what is the mission and vision of Best Buddies Philippines? The mission is to establish a global volunteer movement that creates opportunities for one-to-one friendships, integrated employment, inclusive living, and leadership development for people with intellectual and developmental disabilities. The vision is to put Best Buddies out of business. As of last year, Best Buddies Philippines has over 20 chapters, 3,836 participants, 38,360 impacted, with 18 school chapters and 3 citizen groups. So in the Philippines, the local friendship chapters are the La Salle College of St. Benilde, Manila, through the Center for Inclusive Education, the La Salle Santiago Zobel San Lorenzo Ruiz Elementary School, Pasig City, the Nazareth School, Lipa, British School, Manila, Shine Intervention Center, the Vanguard Academy, Asurion, Brightwoods School, the Best Buddies Philippines North and South Citizen Chapters, and 3 Best Buddies Philippines chapters in Visayas, which are Cebu, Samar, and Leyte. The promoter chapters as of 2023 are De Castro Elementary School in Pasig City, Ateneo de Manila High School, Acacia Waldorf School, Manila and Laguna, Riverside College, Talisay City National High School in Talisay City, Cebu, and St. Mary of the Woods School. The community that Best Buddies serves includes but is not limited to people with Down syndrome, autism spectrum disorder, Fragile X Williams syndrome, cerebral palsy, traumatic brain injury, and other undiagnosed disabilities. Let me tell you the history of Best Buddies Philippines. Best Buddies Philippines was started in 2014 under the leadership of the former Executive Director Ange Onrubia. At the time, there were 2 chapters when it was started. When Ms. Michelle Aventajado became the Executive Director, Best Buddies Philippines gradually expanded to other schools throughout the country, and the organization held face-to-face events from the year 2014 until 2020. When the coronavirus health issue happened, from 2020 until 2022, Best Buddies Philippines events migrated to online with the launch of the Saturday series of learning, Wellness Wednesday, and Friendship Friday. We also had virtual ambassador trainings, virtual inclusive events at the time, and webinars. On July 23, 2022, coinciding with the end of the National Disability Prevention and Rehabilitation Week, Best Buddies Philippines ended the Saturday series of learning. A month later, on August 2022, Best Buddies Philippines resumed face-to-face events. Since 2023, until now, Best Buddies Philippines organized hybrid events in online and face-to-face format, such as the Friendship Friday, Wonder Wednesday, and Sama Sama Saturdays. Last 2023 and last year, Best Buddies Philippines expanded to 3 provinces in Visayas: Cebu, Samar, and Leyte. And in 2020, Best Buddies Philippines is registered at the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. So let me tell you about the pillars of Best Buddies Philippines. There are 5 pillars actually. The first is one-to-one friendships. One-to-one friendships between people with and without IDD, offering social interactions while improving the quality of life and level of inclusion for a population that is often isolated and excluded. Through their participation, people with IDD form meaningful connections with their peers, gain self-confidence and self-esteem, and share interests, experiences, and activities that many other individuals enjoy. Leadership development. The Best Buddies Leadership Development Program aims for people with and without IDD to educate and empower them to become leaders, public speakers, and advocates. Best Buddies passionately believes that its program participants can lead the effort within their community and beyond to build a more inclusive world for people with IDD. So as of last year, we have over 30 Best Buddies Philippines ambassadors that were inducted during the local ambassador training. And we have global ambassadors of Best Buddies International representing the Philippines outside of the United States, namely yours truly, Ken Lagmay, and Leanne Hinlo. Integrated employment. This program secures jobs for people with intellectual and developmental disabilities, allowing them to earn an income, pay taxes, and continuously and independently support themselves. The Best Buddies Philippines Jobs Program places focus beyond the typical jobs in which a person with IDD might be placed. Best Buddies focuses on finding work that matches the job seeker's interests and talents. Best Buddies Philippines supports individuals with and without IDD to secure internships and competitive employment opportunities. Best Buddies Philippines collaborates with multinational and local companies interested in hiring neurodivergent individuals through workplace sensitivity training. By ensuring that both participants and companies are prepared for integrated employment, this leads to workplace readiness, retention, and success of the program. Last December 2023, Best Buddies Philippines launched the Pre-Employment Program. So, what is the Pre-Employment Program, ladies and gentlemen? The Pre-Employment Program is a series of 12 bi-weekly modules for students and young adults with IDD to prepare for integrated employment and internship. Graduates who complete all the sessions are supported as They apply and interview for different workplace opportunities with the partner companies. The purpose of the pre-employment program is talent sourcing, broad pool from school chapters, corporate partners, and social media reach. It aims for the bodies to prepare themselves to enter the workplace by doing resumes, cover letters, and portfolios, and the opportunity for companies to act as trainers which enhance the workplace inclusion skills. The JOBS program aims for the bodies to prepare themselves for the start of their life in the workplace. The job coach is present for the application to the work proper of the participant. It aims for the bodies to prepare for readiness to enter the workplace, to have training on disability awareness, inclusion, and sensitivity, and also to have market analysis, the support from the job coach, have long-term strategies to end inclusion, into the culture of the workplace. When we say end, meaning this is done to integrate the culture of inclusion in the workplace. Inclusive living. The Best Buddies Living Program fosters and integrates experience for people with and without IDD to become active, contributing citizens who live independently in a dynamic environment where they can learn, grow, and thrive. The Best Buddies Living Program encourages people with and without IDD to live together in a vibrant community that is focused on supporting all residents in accomplishing their life goals and dreams. Lastly, family support. Best Buddies Family Support offers families the support and resources needed to navigate the journey of raising a child with IDD. This is done through Eunice Buddies. Eunice Buddies serves as the pioneering program within the Family Support Initiative. It is named in honor of Eunice Kennedy Shriver, the founder of Special Olympics and a true hero who advocated tirelessly for positive change in the lives of individuals with IDD. Eunice Buddies pairs experienced parents of a child with IDD with new parents who are expecting, have just welcomed a baby, or are raising a child up to the age of 8 years old who has been recently diagnosed with IDD. This pairing creates a mentor-mentee connection and friendship. Eunice Buddies provide a framework offering parents and caregivers encouragement, emotional support, and valuable resources. Participation in Eunice Buddies helps families pave the way for a child with IDD to have an education, gainful employment, and a fulfilled life. In a nutshell, Best Buddies Philippines is a non-profit organization that empowers individuals with intellectual and developmental disabilities through one-to-one friendships, integrated employment, and leadership development. The organization advocates for people with IDD to help them secure jobs, live independently, and to build lasting friendships. Best Buddies Philippines looks forward to creating a greater impact with your active participation and passion for making the world a more inclusive place for all. It is within our mission to further bring our programs to all corners of the Philippines. The work we do for inclusion would not be possible without your efforts and passion for making the world a more accepting place. It is our goal to help all ambassadors and the members grow their potential and to guide them in helping the community. Inclusion starts with I. Be immersed in a diverse and inclusive society, have fun and meet new buddies, and make a difference in society, one step at a time. In Best Buddies Philippines, make a friend, be a friend. To close this, I will now play the Best Buddies Philippines theme song. And that concludes my vlog for today. Thank you very much for watching.